punased.
Vajutasin.
Juba vajutasid? Juba käib jah? No läks siis lahti.
Smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw her shimmering lights. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. I had the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. She lit up a candle and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Renting a room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her mind is stiff and twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys. She got friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain. Please bring me my wife. He said, we haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Renting a room at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Bring your alibi.
Kyllä, pikluvan. No, pane kinni.